Hey guys, in today's video, I am going to show you how to set up Cloudflare with GoDaddy. Let's get started. First, head over to cloudflare.com. Then, create a free account. During sign up, choose the free plan which is perfect for most personal and small business websites. Once you're logged in, go to the Websites tab and click Get Started. Now, you will be asked to enter your domain name. To get it, log into your GoDaddy account. Click on your profile icon, then go to My Products. There, you will see a list of your domain names. Click DNS next to the domain you want to use. Once you're in the DNS management section, copy the domain name and head back to Cloudflare. Paste the domain into the field and click Continue. Next is choose a plan. Scroll down and choose the free plan unless you need extra features. Click Continue and Cloudflare will now scan your DNS records. If your DNS hasn't been configured yet, that's totally fine. Just scroll down and click Continue. You will now see the Cloudflare is not yet active on your site. To fix that, we need to update your name servers in GoDaddy. Cloudflare will show you two name servers. Copy the first and second domain, go back to your GoDaddy DNS settings, and find the name servers section. Click Change Name Servers, then select I will use my own name servers. In Name Server 1, paste the first name server from Cloudflare, then the second name server pasted into the name server 2. Click Save, and GoDaddy might ask for a quick verification. Click Continue and verify. Enter the one-time password sent on your email, then click Verify. Once verified, the name server update is complete. Head back to Cloudflare, click Continue, and now go through the quick setup guide. Make sure the automatic HTTPS is checked, then click Save. Enable Always use HTTPS, then click Save. Then, click Finish. It may take up to 24 hours for the name server changes to fully propagate. Once that's done, your GoDaddy domain will be fully connected to Cloudflare, and your site will be protected and optimized. And that's it. You have successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Cloudflare. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.